the most beautiful sandwich ever made.
Wow! That's serious sandwich business. I forgot my lunch today again.
That's rough. So
It's okay. I have my water bottle at least. Galatians 5:22 says, the fruit of the Spirit is kindness.
does pickle count as a fruit?
Not that kind. It means goodness that grows in us, like sharing.
So kindness means giving up my sandwich.
Sometimes, especially when someone is hungry.
Okay. You can have half.
Thank you, Kenny. That's really kind of you.
Pickles taste better when you share them.